welcome to episode 1 of Tech Connect by Techysquad. I'm Zoya, your host for today's exciting conversation. Today, we have a very special guest joining us from Brokeree Solutions, Mr. Jess, who is an expert in technology solutions for brokers. As you all know, Techysquad CRM is dedicated to empowering brokers with seamless client and IB management tools, while Brokeree Solution focuses on advanced tech for multi-asset brokers. Today, we're bridging gap between the fintech space and will dive deep into how the synergy benefits brokers. Welcome, Mr. Jess. It's great to have you here.
Thank you very much, Zoya. Very happy to be with you today and looking forward to the session.
Okay, so now can you please give us an overview on how Brokeree Solution works and the role it plays in supporting brokers?
Okay, fantastic. Basically, just a quick introduction. So, as Brokerage Solutions, so basically, we are experts in solution development and platform servicing for mostly MT4 and MT5. And we offer a range of solutions, ranging from money management solutions like social trading, or people also call it copy trading, to PAM solutions, to a prop solution, we call it prop pos, to risk management tools such as dealing desk, dynamic margin and leverage, to also liquidity connectivity. So through our liquidity bridge system, our gateway, or through our feed solution.
That's very impressive. So, how does Brokeree Solution technology complement Techysquad CRM for brokers?
So I believe that brokerage solution and Techie CRM create a powerful synergy by addressing both trading and client relationship aspects of brokerage operations. So together, we enable brokers to manage trading activities and client relationship within a unified ecosystem. And so this combination ensures that both the broker and the clients basically can focus on the trade activities, and basically, the brokers can focus on business scalability rather than concentrating on the technology part, which we can offer them.
That actually makes a lot of sense. So, what would you say are the most significant trading challenges brokers face, and how does your platform help us tackle them?
So brokers encounter multiple challenges, so including acquiring of clients, retaining traders, maintaining platform efficiency, handling risk, and offering competitive features both through our solutions can help address some of the challenges. So, for example, for acquiring clients, they can use our social trading solution, which basically brokers can tap into a wider audience by allowing new traders to follow and copy strategies of experienced professionals. This will not only boost trading activities, but will also drive a higher volume traded for them. Another thing is they can use our prop solution. So this is a perfect addition to brokerages looking to either launch their own prop trading firms or create exciting challenges for their traders. So the solution is especially valuable to brokers who are offering social trading and PAM, which can be used to filter out experienced providers for social trading and money managers for PAM. Additionally, through our bridge solution, the broker can ensure smooth trade executions by managing liquidity efficiently. By leveraging these tools, brokers can provide unique services to mitigate both risk and offer seamless trading experiences to their clients.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So, also smooth integration between solutions is critical, as we know. So, how do you
Yes.
ensure seamless integration with partner solutions like Techysquad CRM, for example?
Okay, so we emphasize on simplicity through our robust API solution. So this ensures that our core products such as social trading, which we already have an integration to Techysquad CRM, can integrate smoothly with systems like Techysquad and other CRM solutions. Additionally, we provide detailed documentation, expert technical support, and a dedicated onboarding team to ensure that the integration process aligns with either the broker's operational requirements or with the partner that we are integrating to, such as Techysquad.
Okay. Since we know that technology evolves so quickly, so how does Brokeree Solutions stay ahead and proof its offerings?
So we stay ahead of the curve by continuously innovating and evolving our solutions. So we invest heavily on our R&D to incorporate emerging technologies and adapt to industry trends. So, for example, we have regular updates for our solutions like social trading, PAM, and others to ensure that there is compatibility with changing trading practices. So, by adopting a modular approach, we ensure that brokers can scale and adapt their platforms to future demands while maintaining compliance with evolving regulations.
That sounds really nice. So for brokers who are going to consider the combined Techysquad CRM and brokerage solution setup, what is the advice that you would like to give them?
So brokers should view this setup as an opportunity to create a holistic and efficient trading ecosystem. So with these integrations, our brokers can optimize the operations, improve client satisfaction, and focus on scaling their business while maintaining a competitive edge, right? So I believe that both Brokeree and Techysquad offers a robust system. So with the integration, the brokers can leverage the advantages of both systems, right? So it will increase their competitiveness and enhance the overall client experience.
That's some great advice, Mr. Jess. Thank you so much for sharing these insights. It's clear that our partnership, the Techysquad CRM and Brokerage Solutions partnership, is an immense potential to transform brokers' and operations.
Yes, thank you very much. Looking forward to our future collaborations and other integrations that are going to be coming up.
Likewise, thank you to everyone and all our listeners. If you're a broker looking for a solution to enhance your platform and make sure to explore what Techysquad CRM and brokerage solutions can offer us. Until next time, take care and keep innovating. Looking forward to seeing you at the IFX Expo Dubai 2025.